Are you serious about fixing your car count, income, and profits? I mean really serious. If you answered yes, then this video's for you. I'll explain it all in a second. Buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, welcome to Car Count Hackers. Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. If you're a repair shop owner and you really want to fix your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. Now, I asked you if you were really serious, because I've got something totally new for you, and I'll give you all the details, but it was inspired by a comment that was left on a previous video. John said, everyone in this business needs these videos. In the past 31 years, my car count has never been down in March before. It almost doesn't matter why, just fix it. These videos are full of insight and encouragement with the how as well as the why. John, I thank you so much for your comments, and that was what inspired me to put this video together. Because on this channel, I'm 80 or 90 videos, I don't know, I haven't checked, and they're all bits and pieces of things that you can do. Call them car count tips if you want. But when I read your comment, it sort of got me thinking, and here's what I've got for you. Right now, I've just set up a page with a video on it that's 15, 17 minutes, not very long, and I don't want to take your time here. The links will be in the descriptions down below. All you have to do is look for 3 questions, because that's all I ask you on that video is 3 simple questions. And the reason for this was so that anybody watching my videos will, get some direction as to how they can fix their car count. It's really simple. And now you're saying, well, yeah, but listen, the page is up and there is absolutely nothing to do to sign up. You don't have to leave your email. You don't have to leave your phone number. I won't even know if you've ever been there. And that's fine too. But understand this, it will only be available for a few days. That's because, well, let me tell you something. Life's been good, things have been busy, and I'm grateful for all the subscribers and people like you. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, but head over to see that information, that video. I'm telling you now, take a pen, take a pad, and make time for about 15 minutes. That's all it's going to be, but I'm going to give you the 3 questions that you need to answer. And why I say bring a pad and pen is there's nowhere on that video page that is to enter your stuff. All I want you to do is be truthful with yourself. You're going to write your answers down on a piece of paper where you're watching the video. This isn't something that you have to post anything public. Like I said, you don't even have to sign up or you don't have to log in or anything. It's just there. All you have to do is visit the link in the links below and it'll take you right to that page. But be prepared for about 15 minutes, whatever the video is. I explain why these questions are important. I ask you the questions. I steer you through what your answers should probably look like. I don't want to get into it now. It'll explain everything on that other video. And while you're here, if you think this might help another repair shop owner that you know, go ahead and hit that share button and share it with them. Feel free to do that. If you're still hanging around here at the end of this video, watch this video here about free tools that you can use. And I've also included a video here about discounting in your auto repair shop. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.